Question 3. If the equation 2x p minus s equals 3 has coincident roots, find the exact values of p. Exact meaning it cannot be in decimal, it has to be the exact form, either in surd form or whatever, right? So the focus of this question, coincident roots. So if this equation has coincident roots, it means that the discriminant is equal 0, right? So we'll first write down this equation. This is a quadratic equation, but you have to put it in the general form. So I have to expand this. Okay, expand 2x p 2x squared. Okay, I like to simplify it to the positive coefficient of x squared. Yeah, it can be done this way. So since equation has coincident roots, discriminant equals 0. So therefore, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. b is negative 2p, right? A is 2, c is 3. So simplifying this, I have 4p squared minus 24 equals to 0. So 4p squared is 24, p squared is 6, so p will be plus or minus square root 6. And leave the answer in this form. The third form is the exact form.